The Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced is a popular device for formula feeding parents, automating bottle preparation with just a press of a button. It measures, dispenses, and mixes the formula with water at the ideal temperature and consistency. Here's a breakdown of its advantages and disadvantages. Pros. Convenience. The biggest benefit of the Formula Pro Advanced is its convenience. With customizable bottle sizes, 2 to 10 ounces, and 3 temperature settings, it simplifies feeding, especially during nighttime. Consistency. It provides reliable formula-to-water ratios, reducing the risk of incorrect mixes, which can occur during manual preparation. Compatibility. The machine is compatible with a range of formula brands, offering flexibility for families using different types. Cons. Maintenance. The device needs regular cleaning to prevent clogs, as formula powder can build up in the dispensing system. Occasional clumping. Certain formulas may cause clumping in the machine, though adjusting the powder settings may reduce this issue. Price. At around $200, it's relatively costly, and the value depends on how frequently it's used. Verdict. Overall, the Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced is a helpful tool for families who rely on formula feeding, offering quick bottle prep, temperature control, and convenience. However, daily cleaning and the occasional issue with clumping may deter some. For parents who prioritize convenience and can invest in a premium tool, it can be a worthwhile addition. Could the Baby Brezza be the right product for you?